How to use the Speedy Stitcher sewing awl. This craft comes to you from long, long ago. From the time of Sinbad's sails to Abraham repairing the solar sail on the space station due to a debris hit. The modern tool we will be using is El Speedy Stitcher, which started out as a bone with an eye stuck in a chunk of wood. The modern version of the ancient tool, El Speedy, consists of a needle, wax thread, a chuck, a ferrule with a wooden handle, a tension pin, a bobbin end cap. Remove the chuck from the post. Notice the groove in the post aligns with the groove in the needle. Remove the bobbin end cap. Remove the bobbin. El Speedy. Thread the hole of the wooden handle. Make sure the thread is not pinched when you install the bobbin. Install the bobbin end cap. Loop the thread around the tension pin and under. That way, the thread will not lock up on the tension pin. Thread the ferrule. Install the needle and align with the groove in the post. Thread the eye of the needle. Secure the waxed thread in the groove. Spin to install and secure the chuck. My craft, El Speedy, ready for work. Let's get started. On a small area like this, I suggest to pull a leader thread twice the length of the wound. Our first step is to push the needle through and pull the leader to the other side. Oh, Mr. Bill! Now don't let yourself be a Mr. Bill during this job. Push the needle through and pull the thread to the other side. This will be your leader. Once you have the leader through, pull the needle back and start your first lock stitch. When you push the needle through and pull back, a loop will be formed. Thread the leader through the loop. Secure the lock stitch and start your next. Repeat and work up a rhythm. Each time you pull back, release enough thread for the next stitch. Once your rhythm is started, you can see the needle from going from side to side, and the loops and the leader being threaded through the loops to create the lock stitches. The last step when closing the wound is the tie-off on the leader side. Insert the needle and pull enough thread through and cut a second leader. Tie the two leaders together. Trim when done.